Welcome back to Build Your Anatomy. If you're looking to enhance your lower body strength and sculpt your glutes, you're in the right place. Today, I'll introduce you to a transformative exercise that's a game changer for your glutes, the glute bridge. This exercise not only improves the shape of your buttocks, but also strengthens the gluteal muscles, crucial for various movements and posture improvement. Stick with us till the end to master the art of the glute bridge and see significant changes in your physique. Let's jump right into it. Understanding the gluteal muscles. The glutes are among the largest and strongest muscles in your body, playing a vital role in hip movement, torso straightening, and posture support. Properly exercising these muscles is essential not just for aesthetic appeal, but also for functional strength and reducing back pain. The three main muscles in this region, the gluteus maximus, medius, and minimus, are pivotal for stability and mobility. Why the glute bridge? The glute bridge is a powerhouse exercise that targets the gluteal muscles effectively. Unlike squats and lunges that also engage the thighs, the glute bridge focuses intensely on the buttocks, making it perfect for those who want to isolate and enhance this area without overworking the legs. Here's why the glute bridge stands out. Joint-friendly. It places minimal stress on your knees and back, making it ideal for people with joint issues or those recovering from injuries. Versatility. Suitable for all fitness levels, from beginners to athletes, and can be performed with or without weights. Postural benefits. It helps improve posture by strengthening the muscles that support the spine. Accessibility. Requires no special equipment and can be performed anywhere. Perfect for home workouts. How to perform the glute bridge correctly. Starting position. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the ground, shoulder width apart. Place your arms at your sides with palms down. Movement. Pressing your heels into the floor. Inhale and lift your hips towards the ceiling by squeezing your glutes. Your body should form a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Top position. Hold at the top for a couple of seconds, ensuring your glutes are tightly clenched. Return. Exhale and slowly lower your hips back to the starting position without resting them on the floor before beginning the next repetition. Repetitions. Start with 20-30 repetitions per set or add weights for added resistance, focusing on form and muscle engagement rather than speed. Advanced variations and tips. Once you've mastered the basic glute bridge, you can add variations to increase the challenge. Weighted glute bridge. Place a weight plate or barbell over your hips to add resistance. Single leg glute bridge. Lift one leg off the ground during the exercise, alternating legs to increase intensity. Elevated glute bridge. Place your feet on a raised platform like a bench or step for deeper hip extension. Incorporate the glute bridge into a comprehensive workout routine that targets multiple muscle groups. Following squats or lunges with glute bridges ensures a balanced workout, and finishing with abdominal exercises can help strengthen the core, creating a well-rounded fitness session. The glute bridge is an exceptional exercise for anyone looking to strengthen their glutes and improve overall lower body aesthetics and function. With regular practice, you'll not only see an enhancement in muscle tone, but also enjoy better posture and reduced back pain. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fitness tips from Build Your Anatomy. Stay motivated and keep pushing your limits. For more exercises and detailed workout advice, make sure to check out other videos on our channel. Your journey to a stronger, healthier body starts here.